Sometimes you can't use the sine law. The problem with this particular triangle is we have an angle, but we don't have anything on the other side, and we've ended up with two sides here with no angles to complement them. So you can't use the sine law. Well, you can turn this into a right angle triangle by extending it out a little bit. And so we're going to try that first to find BC, which I've highlighted here in pink. What we're going to do is we're going to use sine, and because we have the hypotenuse, we're going to find this one first. Using the SOHCAHTOA, we know that sine is equal to your opposite over your hypotenuse. So sine 36 is equal, we'll call this O, over your hypotenuse, which is 6 centimeters. When you do the math, you multiply sine 36 times 6. You will end up with O being about 3.527. Keep about 3 or 4 decimal places. This, of course, is going to be side CD. After that, what we need to find is side AD. That is the side here that I've highlighted here in blue. We do have part of it, but we need the entire thing. So that, of course, is going to be our adjacent. We do have our hypotenuse. Let's go with cos. So cos 36 is going to be your adjacent over your hypotenuse. And so your adjacent is going to be 6 times cos 36, which is going to be 4.854 centimeters. Now, of course, we want to find BD. So all you need to do is subtract that 3 from 4.854 and you should get BD. So 4.854 minus 3 is equal to 1.854 centimeters. This is BD. So I've highlighted the triangle we're working with now. We've got two sides here, and we have to find the hypotenuse because ultimately we're looking for side BC. Because we have those two sides, all we need to use is the Pythagorean theorem, which is, of course, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So just replace those values. You've got 1.854 squared plus 3.527 squared is equal to c squared. C squared, when you work that out, is going to be 15.877, around there. Now, of course, we're looking for c, so you have to take the square root of that and square root the 15.877. And so you'll find, to the nearest tenth of a centimeter, that c is equal to 4.0 centimeters.